The mere fact I'm in opposition does not mean that I have to sabotage the economy of a nation, because this country belongs to all of us. And you know that oil is the major revenue for the federal government, or for the federation, that the three tiers of government share from. So you cannot, because you're in opposition, you close your eyes and allow that to happen. No responsible government does that. This is not about party. It's about Nigeria. It's about making sure that this country survives. We must continue to take this war very seriously, not only because it is against, it is a sabotage to the national economy, but also for the health of our people, which is for me is the key why we must fight against this sabotage. So let's take this war as a war that we must save our people and we must save the nation. So I commend you so far for the efforts, but we must redouble our efforts and not to give any chances to these armed robbers they call bunkers. As far as I'm concerned, they're even worse than armed robbers. A sabotage of the national economy is worse than armed robber. So we must not give any gap. So that there must be the need to collaborate with all the local governments and communities. So it's important that when you profile, you do it quickly too, so that we know, so that they can start work. Those who have no trust, those who have no trust, we remove them. I won't give any local government money that have not seen any commitment. No, I will not do that. I want to see commitment. So it's only those that have shown commitment that I have approved the money for.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.